This charming, centrally located home in Missoula, Montana is truly a hidden gem. We're at 630 Livingston Avenue here in Missoula. This home was built in 1952 and actually has a lot of the original features like the beautifully redone hardwood floors, this lovely fireplace. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms on a nice big lot. I'm really excited about this one. Let's take a look. Thank you so much for spending time with me here today at 630 Livingston Avenue in Missoula, Montana. This charming home is just over 2,100 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, centrally located with a nice big backyard. For more information, give me a call. I'm Dawn Maddox, 406-550-4131. Thank you.